शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदा देशभक्तिविनाशाय आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते। आइए आपको सम्मान स्वीकारता हूँ। रिधिमा रमेश वेड, फर्स्ट रैंक 89.50%. खुशी दिलखुश बेड़ी has a second rank आणि 86%. आणि थर्ड रैंक सर्वेश बेड़ी SSC एग्जाम 92.33%. G sector 88%. Second rank 87.60%. First team Carvalho, first rank 84.60%.
यार एक मोबाईल वर का नका
सगळ्यांक नमस्कार आणि म्हाका दिस इज द थर्ड इयर आमी SSC भुरग्यांक त्यांचो भोवमान करता. सी दिस इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल टोकन ऑफ एप्रिशिएशन आनीक हें करपाक मुखार भुरग्यांक एक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक वी आर डुईंग दिस प्रोग्राम. आनीक वॉट आय हॅव स्पोकन टुडे इज विथ एड्युकेशन अलॉंग विथ एड्युकेशन मायक पायक रेस्पेक्ट दिवप मायक पायचे उतर आयकप इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो आय हॅव स्ट्रेस very much on this along with the education अपना आवय बापायके आयकप की विद्या विदाउट their blessings म्हाका दिसता आज कांय ना. if you be educated because सगळे आसून you have the top wealth with you, we have all the riches, but you don't respect your mother and father and you don't take care of your mother and father, that it is nothing, it is both nothing. Why I have done this and what I am today is because of my mother and father. And तेका लागून आज मुझे पायचे नावान हे आता Kurjino Dicosa Charitable Trust हे संस्थे under I am having this program. So my message to the student was, along with education, respect your mother and father, listen to them because they are the person who will guide you for your better future. So this was the message most important today in this function.
एक इंग्लिश म्हणणी गॉड ऑलवेज लव्स द चेअरफुल गिवर. आमचा एल्टन बाबान एक बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी सोदल्या आनी धावेच्या भुरग्यांक आपूण टॉपर्स आहा तांकां 12 स्कुलांचे फेलिसिटेट केल्यात. हे भुरग्यांनी जेन्ना आपलें फुडलें शिकप करतले तेन्ना ताचेर एक मोटिवेशन घेवन मोबायलाचेर चड लक्ष दिवप ना. इंस्टा स्नॅपचॅट वॉट्सॅप हे सगळें पयस दवरप. लिमिटेड स्क्रीन टायम दिवप आनी जे डिस्ट्रॅक्शन आहा ते पयस करप. जायती एड्युकेशनल एप्स आसात मोबायलाचेर. हो मोबायल तुमी एड्युकेशनल एप करचे कित्याक तुमच्या पॉकेटान सगळें इन्फॉर्मेशन आसतलें आनी तुमच्या फुडाराक हें तुमी तुमच्या शिकपान यूज करचो, मोबायलाचो बरो यूज करचो आनी जे तुमी आयज हे प्रोग्रामान शिकल्यात ते तुमच्या जिवितान लावचे आनी बरे नागरीक जावचे. थँक्यू.
Support you for today's time, but believe in yourself that you can do this. Today I have achieved so much. You think I was sitting like you only, like one someone to receive a prize, and I studied in the most remote school, Sangye. So this area, Sangye, Quepem, all are very close to me. I used to pass this side daily. I taught in Garden Angel for 11 years. Sangye, our time there were no, like how you all have a bus, no. We used to walk for hours to go to school. And we used to fully depend on our teachers. Some of you mostly depend on your teachers. Concentrate on your lessons. Very important to concentrate on your lessons. Today the world is full of lot of distractions. Mobile ek saran sangluto. Then peer group. Then fashion is come. You want to be each time better than the others. Do not compare with others. You will find that you have to believe in yourself. You have to say, I am going to do it. Imagine a medical high school science student reached the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who had taught? You think people didn't criticize me? I didn't have negative. I didn't have downfall. You will also experience this. But believe in yourself. Have the courage. Always be positive. Whenever someone says something to you, just ignore. To pull you down, there are many people. But you have to believe that I can do it. I can do it better. Remember, we learn from every mistake that we do. We have to improve. आमी कितें mistake केली, आमी शिकवलें, आमी हाटी सरोन जायना. कोणें कितें म्हणलें, वायट धरप ना. आसपाचें, ओगी रावपाचें, की आमकडेन हें जाता म्हूण. आनी हेच भाशेन तुमी मुखार वचत रावपाचें. Nothing like any passion that you have. You want to become a reporter, you want to become a film actor, you want to become a singer. No restriction nowadays. Whichever field you choose, you shine in that field. It may be sports, it may be acting, it may be singing. All fields are very good. But you must have a passion for it. You must like it. Gone are the days when you would say, oh, you are not a doctor, not an engineer. No. Any field that you choose today, you can shine. So, choose a field that you love. And I request the parents, give them the freedom. Because it is their life, whatever they want to become. Do not put pressure that you have to become a doctor or you have to become an engineer. No. Tomorrow, if they follow their passion, they will shine and they will make you very, very proud.